guys. So today I am back with another recipe for you guys, and it's an Indian delicacy which is called pedas. But instead of the white or the saffron pedas which we normally buy from outside, today I am going to make chocolate pedas. So the word chocolate itself tells you that it's going to be very tasty and yummy, and especially kids are going to like this recipe. So I know a lot of you guys must be health conscious, you all don't like to eat sugary stuff, and the same is with me as well. So I don't like to eat too much of stuff which has a lot of sugar, and so I decided to make pedas with the least amount of sugar I can use, and I'm just using 2 teaspoons of sugar and the pedas will be done. So I'm just using this sugar so that it kills the bitterness of the cocoa powder that I'm going to use, and the pedas will taste exactly the same which you get it from outside. So, and it does not even take too much time, like it will be done in less than 10 minutes. So you all need to get up right now and go to your kitchen and start making the recipe along with me. And please do subscribe to my channel guys. If you all like watching the video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you all have enjoyed watching the video. Please subscribe and share it with your friends as well. Thank you so much for watching.
For our easy and quick chocolate peda recipe, we'll require some milk, 20 grams of milk powder, we'll require sugar. I've taken 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and some pistachios for garnishing. So we'll just require these ingredients and our pedas will be ready. We'll take a pan and then we'll add our milk powder to the pan. And we'll stir this for around 5 minutes. Once this is mixed properly, we'll just add in our milk. So make sure that you mix the milk powder properly, otherwise it will stick to the pan. Then add in sugar. We've taken 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now you keep mixing this for around 15 minutes. Till it becomes thick. After 5 to 10 minutes, you will see that this batter has become very thick and it will not even stick to the sides. So then you just add in 1 teaspoon of ghee so that the mixture becomes smooth and nice. Don't just leave the mixture on the gas, otherwise it will stick to the pan. You need to keep stirring it well. So once the mixture is done, just switch off the gas and you remove it into another plate, and we'll let this cool down for at least 5 minutes. Now the mixture has cooled down and we'll just form these into circles. And we'll just press it from the middle. You can see the texture of it. And we also have some pistas to garnish it, so we'll just put this on the top. So now our chocolate pedas are ready, and we'll just put them in our serving bowl.
So as you can see the color of the cocoa powder, you can see here it has turned very nice and shiny. And this is a perfect recipe for during Indian festivals as well. So do try this at home, and you can even comment down below if you all have tried it at home, and then you can just send me your pictures as well. So thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll keep sharing more recipes with you guys, and please subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching the video.